Prevention of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be prevented by good hygiene and vaccination. Hygiene may be defined as practices that ensure cleanliness and good health. Following are some steps to maintain good hygiene. Wash your hands before and after eating food and after going to the toilet with soap and water. Do not allow water to stand in ditches, vessels, coolers, pots, etc. in or around your house. Stagnant water allows breeding of mosquitoes. Use mosquito net or mosquito repellent at night. Wash fruits and vegetables well before cooking or eating them. Food must be kept covered to prevent flies sitting on it. Do not allow heaps of garbage to collect near your home. Dustbins should be kept covered. Drink clean water. Water can be made clean and germ-free by boiling, filtering and chlorinating. You should know vaccination. Vaccination is another way of preventing communicable diseases. Vaccines are available to prevent diseases like polio, cholera, diphtheria, tetanus and hepatitis. Vaccination helps our body to acquire immunity against certain diseases. Thank you.